Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share something really helpful, especially if you are starting a business but don't have a lot of money. We are talking about how to use AppSumo to build your business for cheap or sometimes even free. Yes, it's possible, and I will show you how it works in this video. And don't forget, I put useful links and updates in the description, so after watching this video, check it out. I always keep it fresh and updated. So first, if you are new to AppSumo, let me quickly explain. AppSumo is a website that gives a lifetime deals on software or tools. These are tools that help with websites, marketing, design, writing, sales, so on. And the best part is you don't have to pay monthly. You just pay one time and you can use the tool forever. That's how you can save your money. Some deals even start with $0 or $1 when there are special offers or limited time discounts. And with a 60-day refund policy, it's easy to try without risk. Now, let's say you want to build a business. Maybe you want to offer digital services or starting a blog or a YouTube channel or maybe an online store. You will need some tool, maybe an email tool to talk to your customer, a design tool to create posts, a website builder, and maybe an SEO tool too. If you try to buy these tools monthly, the cost goes really high, like $100 or more in every single month. But on AppSumo, you can get many of these tools for lifetime access for maybe 50 or even less. So instead of paying every single month, use it forever. You build your toolbox once and use it for many years. Also, AppSumo sometimes gives free tools. Yes, totally free. There is a page where you can get softwares and you can filter it for free, like this. You can get tools without paying anything, and you can also find credit rewards or coupon code during special events. For example, if you refer a friend, you both can get credits. And during Black Friday or big sales, they sometimes give 10 or 20 credits to your account just for logging in or buying something. If you collect this and wait for the right moment, you can actually get tools for free or nearly free. Now, let me give you an example of how someone might build a simple business setup using AppSumo. Let's say you are starting a freelance service like writing, editing, or designing. You could get a booking tool like Tidykill or form tool like Get Lead Forms, or maybe a graphic tool like Glorify or Pixelate, and a marketing tool like Sandfox or Email Writer. Now, all of these are available on AppSumo and you pay once, then use them every day to run your business. That's how I build mine. So is AppSumo a good place to build your business for cheap or free? I would say 100% yes. If you are smart and patient, don't just buy every deal. Buy only what you really need. Start small and use the free buyers option. And before you know it, you will have a strong tool setup that didn't cost much. Again, all the helpful links and best current deals are in the description below. Feel free to check them out after watching this video. If this helped you, give the video a like and maybe subscribe for more beginner friendly content like this. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.